Let's weld the neck of the dress now. It's quite easy and it won't take much time. You mark the neckline depth with a pin. Then you place the dress on a table and fold the neck as shown on the screen. Now you cut out a semicircle. After that, you align the neckline, cutting out the surplus of fabric. You can align the sleeves in the same way. Now you put on your dress inside out and pin the fabric along the back seams if necessary, so that the neckline fits well. In case it does fit well, you can miss this step. Then you stitch it and cut out the surplus. Everything's okay now. Next, you take some Joseph fabric, which should be rather dense, and cut off a 1.5 cm strip. Then you pin it around the neckline on the outside. You pin the edges together and stitch them. Then you stitch the jersey strip, stepping 2 mm from the edge. Next, you turn it on the inside and again pin it around the neckline. Like this. Finally, you sew it up. As for me, I line the stitch with the presser edge. Remember to stretch the fabric at the curvatures. Well, it's ready! All you need is to iron it out.